Hi, I'm the Herb Guy. Stop Smoking Herb Blend, Part 3. Alright, so here's what we have. The other previous videos I showed you how to harvest it and all that. I am not going to cover that in this video. First, we have our 2 ounces of chicory root. This is raw, uncooked. Very, very important. Raw, uncooked chicory root. Next, we have 2 ounces of Lobelia plant. That's the whole plant. You need 2 ounces of that. 1 ounce of Chaparral Leaf. 1 ounce of Burdock Root. 1 ounce of Dandelion Root. You take all of those and you combine them in one container. Just use an old macaroni salad container. Put them all in one container. Doesn't matter what order you put them in, you're going to be shaking it up anyway. Like that. Okay, so now that everything is mixed, you have it in there, give it a good shake. You need to shake it for more than just a couple of minutes. I mean, I've already shaken it some. But you really want to shake it well, because it really has to be well blended. This will be available on eBay, the Elder Herb Shop, through our eBay store and through our Etsy store. Or you can Google us and contact us directly. And you can direct orders from us as well. We do orders over the phone. There's your tea. Everything blended. Now, give me a minute. I will show you how to use it. Now that you've mixed and blended your tea, you take 1 measuring teaspoon. Scoop it in there. It'll look about like that. Can you see that? I know it's kind of hard to... You put it in a cute tea strainer. The cute part is essential. And then put it in your cup. I've already heated the water. So you take your hot water, you pour it in your tea. This was supposed to be a lot smoother than this. Now, because we're using roots, there's roots in there, you need to let it set for 8 to 10 minutes. Let that steep for 8 to 10 minutes. And yes, you are going to have floaties if you use these kind of tea strainers. You don't like floaties, you need to get cloth bags. Anyway, hold on. After 8 to 10 minutes, it should look like this. Now sit back and enjoy your tea.